Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Peace be upon you all and welcome to the channel. In this short video we will cover the mnemonic that I spoke of in the variance lecture, but I actually forgot to discuss it, so I will add it here. This is the mnemonic PECS, and that is the colloquial form of pectorals or pectoralis, the muscles of the upper chest. And what you need to do initially is to divide this mnemonic into two halves like so. And I will show you why. And I'll probably create a dotted line like so. These two letters have an abbreviation, and these two letters also have an abbreviation. For these two letters, the abbreviation is as follows. Producer extends. So if you will produce, if you will get, use the extends keyword. And if you will consume, use super, the super keyword, that is. So this is contravariance and this is covariance. Feel free to ignore the mnemonic if you would like. It does not truly matter because we covered the chart of comparison previously. So if this will cause any confusion for you, feel free to ignore it. I just wanted to keep my word, because a man keeps his word, especially a Muslim man keep their word, because that is our oath and testament. So I just wanted to highlight the mnemonic. Feel free to use it or feel free to ignore it depending on your needs. I hope this lecture was helpful and beneficial to you all. Enjoy the rest of your day, everyone. Be safe, take care, and peace be upon you all. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.